An effective and efficient domestic arbitration system is critical to the functioning of the business and the rule of law in India. It is of vital interest to anyone doing business in India, whether they are local or foreign. Our firm recently completed a survey on domestic arbitration practice in India. The survey focused on users of the system with skin in the game, rather than lawyers, advocates, or others. More than 100 respondents participated, of whom 65% were in house counsel. In this video, we summarize the key findings of the survey.
Arbitration is definitely the preferred method of dispute resolution when compared with litigation in courts because of the speed of resolution, confidentiality, cost effectiveness, and the overall efficiency in the process. But speed of resolution is by far the most important consideration. The survey highlights that over 75% of the respondents intend to use domestic arbitration in the future, both for small disputes as well as large disputes. But the survey also reveals that about 40% of the respondents are satisfied with domestic arbitration as a dispute resolution mechanism, while over 60% of the respondents either expressed dissatisfaction or were ambivalent. This indicates that there is a significant scope for improvement in meeting the expectations of parties from the domestic arbitration process.
Most respondents indicated that domestic arbitrations are taking 24 to 36 months to complete, and 59% of the respondents considered that arbitration should ideally be completed within 12 months. 66% of the respondents considered that the mandatory time limits in the arbitration process imposed in 2015 amendments to the Arbitration Act are not being adhered to.
Despite significant efforts to promote institutional arbitration, ad hoc arbitration remains very popular, as stated by almost half of the survey respondents. While institutional arbitration is more favorably considered by respondents than it has been in the past, over 50% of the respondents still intend to use ad hoc arbitrations in the future, which suggests that institutions still have some work to do to win acceptance in India.
Absolutely. More than 80% of the respondents considered that emergency arbitration measures for urgent or time sensitive issues should be provided for. 40% considered that such emergency arbitration measures should be completed within 30 days. Simplification of award enforcement, penal consequences for non compliance with the time limits, and special court benches to deal exclusively with arbitration related matters were the most favored measures for the improvement in the domestic arbitration process.
The survey is timely as the Vishwanathan Committee has reported to the Indian government on its recommendations regarding the reform of the domestic arbitration system. The committee conducted a comprehensive review of the entire arbitration system last year as part of the Indian government's ongoing quest to ensure that India's arbitration system is efficient and effective. You can download a copy of our survey report at the link which will shortly appear on the screen. Please feel free to contact us if you wish to discuss the report and its implications for you. Thank you.